Sina Sophie, and I'm so happy to see you for another episode of 5 Minutes Fridays, because it has been a while. Why, you may ask? Because I didn't like the content that I actually made for you, such as the interior design, you know, the light stuff and the quality of the videos. So I'm really working hard on that, because I don't want to say perfectionist, but I studied art and I know how things should look like, but it's an entire different story to actually do it. You know, you always draw, you write down all the stuff, and then you're like, yeah, okay, that's it. But it's different when you make a video. I really, not willy, but really want to work on that, because I really want to create nice content for you, that it's nice to look at, that it's nice to hear and all that. Hello, plant. Give you a kiss. But anyways, without further ado, let's get ready for today's topic, and that's all about how to get cash. Cash in Japan. I tell you in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's start.
Alright, convenience stores. There are lots of them, such as Lawson, 7-Eleven, Family Mart and more. But most of them have an ATM that works with any credit or debit card. You're on the road getting some drinks and figured out you're low on cash? No problem. Go to the next ATM, put in your card, it shows the screen in Japanese and English. Most times you can change the language even to French or Korean or any other language that is available during that time, but withdrawal is what you need. You must know every ATM wants to have a transaction fee of 200 to 250 yen, which is not much in the beginning, but when you do a lot of transactions, it'll be pricey. So better take out some more cash and you're good to go. Hit the button, type in the PIN, after that you'll be asked how much you want to have. Type in the number and check if it's in the end, sometimes they ask a bit. Usually it's the button to the bottom right, hit the OK button, decide whether you like to have a receipt or not, and you'll get your money. That's it. Yeah, it's that easy. Some more advice? Don't forget your card. Never, ever. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you had lots of fun. If you didn't do it already, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell, because it really makes a difference. I'm also working on updating my website so that I can give you the best content, because I told you that in the very beginning. So it's not only about YouTube, but also about everything else. So yes, I have a website, yes, I have Instagram, yes, I have Twitter, yes, I have Pinterest, but the focus for me will be YouTube, of course Instagram for all the newest updates, and my website, plus I'm working on some podcasts, because you cannot always watch videos, right? And that's a huge problem when you are on the road driving. You cannot watch the newest video, but you still want to get the newest information about how to move to Japan or how to travel to Japan and how to get the best out of it. And when you can't do it, you are just a little bit unhappy, right? So yeah, that's what I'm planning right now. So I'm writing a lot, and until midnight, sometimes even longer, so there is a lot, and I will be more consistent. I swear. So I'm not crossing my fingers, so I swear. And even do the pinky. So yeah, let's do the pinky swear. I hope you had lots of fun. I hope you enjoy it as always. And if you have any requests or questions about any kind of topic, please leave a comment down below, because I read them. I mean, I don't get a lot of comments, but still I read them, I appreciate them. I really care about your well-being, I care about my well-being, I care about everyone's well-being and everyone's happiness, because you deserve to be happy. Everyone deserves to be happy. So, see you next time, right? Love you, mata ne, and bye. Mwah! Kaboo! Cash, baby, let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that you can buy with cash, baby. And that's today's episode.